All right, Rallo, what we got? What we got today?
All right, so today I'm showing my profession side. I cut hair for a living. I'm a barber, licensed master barber in the state of Georgia. Check me out right there. Got my accolades to prove it. Don't zoom in too close. Niggas might know where I live. Been cutting hair since I was 16, so about 10 years, man. And I've been cutting my own hair for probably the past, year or 2 years consistently, because I just was disappointed with all these other guys are doing and, freestyling on my head. So me being a barber, I know what I like. And I'm gonna show you guys how I give myself a temp fade. And I have a 360 wave pattern as well. So all you wavers out there, pay close attention.
All right. Oh, you gotta get in the light.
Right. So yeah, I'm just cleaning out my brushes. Just to, every day I clean out my utensils, get them nice and ready for the job in the day ahead.
Why is that?
Just for cleanliness sake, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of gunk get built up. You're sharing germs with 1,000 people. Everybody cutting hair. It's not a good look, man. So you want to clean out your stuff on a daily basis.
There you
Give
go.
the next person a fresh experience. My pattern. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, you see it. Yo, I see it.
Yeah, so the brush is a little wet, so it's helping my hair lay down a little easier so you can see my pattern. The reason I like to do that is so that my hair lays in the direction that it truly is. So when I'm cutting without looking at it, I don't have to do any guesswork. I got my crown well organized. I know where everything is and where everything's going. And basically a trick for guys at home, the same pattern that you brush your hair in is the same way you want to cut your hair in. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do anything different from the crown, the natural pattern that you have on your head. So this brush work is me laying the foundation of the roadmap of how I'm gonna be cutting my hair. I'm just getting everything well organized so that way I can feel what's going on. Each wave, I can feel what's going on and what direction it's growing in and what direction I need to be cutting in. So I keep my pattern nice and prepped and ready to go. Up here, if you notice, in these corners, I got these weak spots where it's just a little light. I'm getting older, bro. It's a fact of life. You get older, you start to lose your hair. So that's also another reason of why I cut my own hair, because I know what my hair situation is. A guy who doesn't know me off the street might just run up in here and think that it's cool, but it's like, nah, fam, that's not my look right there. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm able to navigate those baby hairs and these balding areas and make it still pull off as a crisp, precise line at the end of it all. Got my own little magic tricks. All right. So now I'm cutting hair with the Andy Speedmaster 2. State-of-the-art equipment right here. That's made me a lot of money doing this, using this right here. I've already pre-cleaned them, so I'm not gonna show you guys the boring stuff like that, the unnecessary stuff. A lot of you guys are gonna be at home using your own personal stuff. So, but in case you're not, clipper size spray. And of course, brush off the stranger's hair off the clipper, That's all I do. Now for my crown, I know my own hair pattern. I know where, what heights achieve what looks, what comb achieve what looks with my hair. So I know that my hair is a closed one all the way around in order for me to keep and maintain my 360 waves. It's a one guard.
Okay.
And like I said, man, I'm cutting in the same direction that I brushed my hair previously just now. And sometimes you guys could even cheat, really, and just brush, comb and brush at the same time, and really get that hair laid down. That's what your barber would probably do to provide you that finish and shining look, if you are a waver. The third eye doesn't lie. it's getting closer and closer to a real fade. I just kind of open that guy right there, that zero. I just opened it a little bit, try to knock down some untied ends. Just kind of cleaning up the fade a bit.
Now, what do you mean by opening and closing?
Okay, so on every clipper you got two positions. This is closed all the way. This is the lowest that the clipper can go. And open, that's the largest that the clipper can go. So in between these two positions is where a lot of your work gets done as a barber, like 50%. And in between that mix is where you'll do your fades. If you're transitioning, like say you see something you don't like, you'll just tap it and do your fade like that. But open and close are your primary positions, man. This is how a lot of barbers eat. Open, close. Open, close. That's the medium